Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my favorite lipsticks at the moment. I have shortlisted 5 lipsticks which I have loved throughout the year, and I wanted to do an updated version of the favorite nude lipsticks that I did on my channel a year back. That video was all about new lipsticks, so if you want to check out that video, I would link it here for you so that you can go and check out my nude lipsticks collection. Today's video is not about only nude lipsticks. It's a mix of lipsticks that I wear on a daily basis, and I love these products because the colors are so dynamic, it's versatile, it goes well with every outfit that I wear. So I've chosen the lipsticks which I wear a lot. So without any more delay, let's start with the video. The first shade that I have with me is definitely a nude shade, but this is an incredible brand that I am using a lot, and I specifically wanted to talk a little about this brand called Swiss Beauty. I have been using many of their products, and I'm so surprised that at this price range they give such high quality products that I have no complaints with. It's a shade called Bare by Swiss Beauty. This is the lipstick shade. It's a peachy, it's a brownish nude color, and I'm going to wear it for you so you can understand that how it looks on my skin. Definitely my lips feel soft and my lips don't feel too dried out, which is the case with a lot of liquid lipsticks. So I'm not very fond of liquid lipsticks, but this one certainly has a matte texture, but it's not at the same time too dry, so that's why I love it. And as you can see, it's got a very nice nude shade, and I feel that this shade would go with any kind of Indian skin. So the second shade that I have with me is also a nude shade. You can tell from my love of nude colors that I like nude lipsticks. So this is my current favorite. It's from a brand called the Clarins. I'm not sure if it is available in India because I got it from someone who was coming from the US. I will check if it's available in Nykaa or anywhere, and I will edit that when I post this video because right now I'm not so sure. It's called Velvet Lip Perfector. It's like a sketch pen of a sort. So basically you have to push the product and it comes here, and the applicator part is like a soft, like a cushiony thing. So I just put it for you. It's a bare nude color, so it's just the perfect nude if you love nude lipsticks. You can understand that it's got a very nice nude color to it. I just love this color so much. It feels great on the lips. It's like so velvety. It says it's a velvet lip perfector, so it is a velvet lip perfector. When you apply, you feel like you're like, kind of putting lip balm on your lips. So it's so moisturizing, and I really love it for that. And at the same time, it's not too glossy, which I am not very fond of. Again, I don't like too matte or too glossy lipsticks. I want somewhere which is like in the middle, right? So yeah, so for me this works perfectly. And this brand, I'm not sure it's available in India, but I would definitely check it out for you and let you know. So the next lipstick that I have with me is not nude, thankfully, but it's a beautiful red color from MAC, which is not Ruby Woo, but it's called Russian Red. I know there would be a lot of people who love the quintessential Ruby Woo, but for me, I think this Russian Red color is absolutely one of the best red shades that I have. I don't wear red lipsticks that often, but when I do, this is my go-to lipstick all the time. The best thing about MAC's lipsticks are that they are extremely long lasting. So even after I have my meal or something, I've tested it so many times. If I go out for dinner and I'm wearing this lipstick, it kind of stays on even though I'm having my food and everything. So it's extremely long lasting. Plus it has such a nice, I think it's a very fiery red color. It's not too maroon and it's not that crimson red, which I don't like. So this is like a perfect shade for me for a date night, for a, like, you know, for a wedding. Anything works. So even on my own wedding I chose to go with this shade, and I just told her that, you know, that color that she was suggesting me was not working at all. So I said, not doing, I'm just going to wear this and go. So this is what I wore for my wedding as well. So it's a special color, it's a very trusted color for me. So yeah. The last shade that I have today with me is again from Clarins, but this shade is not a nude one. This is a different it's a different shade. I don't know, I can't explain this color. I think it's a mix of purple and pink. So it's like the little darker pink shade, which kind of it's very close to red but not exactly red. So I'll just wear it for you. It's the same applicator, like you have to push the product and it comes to the tip and you can apply it. Super light, super velvety, super smooth. So when you're putting it on your lips, you can just exactly feel like what this is. So this is the color. It's very light, it's not heavy, which is a good thing, and the products are all made in Korea. So I just checked it for when I was like talking to you guys. I thought I'll just check it, and also I'll quickly check if it's available on Nykaa. So I just checked it that Clarins is still not in India. So if you have someone who's visiting the US or like Singapore, I think you can just get one of this from here and you will not regret it. I don't regret it at all. So with this we come to the end of this video, and if you liked my collection of lipsticks, then please like and share and subscribe to this channel for more such videos and detailed reviews of products that I like and I love. So I would be able to share all of it with you. Please do subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.